SSC Words presents. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for more updates. Leave your valuable comments and likes. Accouter. The meaning of accouter is equip or provide something, usually for a specific purpose. The new coach accoutered the team with the best goods at the sports mart. The new joined nurses were accoutered with new dresses and all supplies. My mother accoutered the kitchen with new gadgets. Being a police is to accouter themselves for any situation at any time. The students were accoutered with all new things for the start of the academic year.